so let's pretend it's question 12 of a 46 question GED test. It's tough. It's a tough, we got a long way to go. And then we get something like this. And let's say the previous question was what the last question was, which was aggregate. This can look, this is so math, just to give us a bunch of formula looking stuff and then one word. So we can get a little shook. But then we realize all they're doing is adding. And this is adding polynomials. Nome means name, Latin for name. So all we do is get the last names together. So our first look, there's only one trip up that can happen in a problem like this when they do parentheses. If they subtract, if this had been subtract, we would change it to plus, and then we got to go flip all the signs of everything in that group of parentheses. This is where we talk about it being like a wedding reception. And we're the wedding coordinator, whatever. We gotta get the families together if we can get them seated. So one little bus or whatever pulls up, one of those fancy weddings, and X2 is the X2 family's there, and here comes the other bus, X2 family. We got to get those families together. So we're gonna grab that plus, why not? And we're gonna bring that right over here. So this is doable and might take a little bit of time. Then we're looking for the X family, just like sounds like a Family Feud. There we go, plus 7x. So that goes there. And then we're looking for the just a number family. Just a number family goes here. And that's good. All right. Then there's the cat on the piano again. I got
a little better.
I got two cats, they're brothers from the same litter, and it's always the same one cat. Freaking me out, terrified.
Those cats playing the boogie woogie.
So now we just get everybody seated. 7 plus 5 is 12. So this one's a contender and the bottom one's a contender. These two are garbage. We just got to a 50-50. There's ghost 1 right there. So 1 plus 7 is 8. And I could fill all this stuff in. My handwriting is a little shaky. So we're looking for a plus 8. And they both have plus 8.
Mm-hmm.
And then negative 8 plus 2, calculator says is negative 6. And there we go. So polynomials, this intimidating looking bunch of nonsense, all we do is slot families and put them together and then do little bits of adding and subtracting. Don't go up there. You're going to knock that down. Why am I talking to a cat? The one trick is if it was minus, you have to go through and flip all those signs. But other than that, this has some satisfaction to it. Now, let's get this one right and move on. And this cat's going to knock over a picture.